Is it too much, David? I got something interesting for you this very moment. And um, if you kind of sleep, if you want to sleep, you can absolutely do this. It's help make your phone fast, and it help protect your phone storage. So before you sleep, please do this, or before you just leave your phone, always do it. So once you do it, I can guarantee you that your phone will be in a good condition. So before I give you the tips and what you have to do, so what you have to do is that I just like this video, and once you like it, also share it to others, and make sure please you subscribe to our channel for more info. Now, before I go into more details concerning what I want to share at this very moment, I'm Tomology Shalwa David. I'm running this channel Utsumosh David, and you are welcome. And your time here, I promise you, will not be of waste. You will get something out of it, but for certain, by the grace of God. Now, what you have to do is that you need an application called Kill Apps. Kill Apps. This is the app that I'm talking about here directly. But the app that arrow is facing, the app this arrow is facing, and I cycled it also. This one, you need this application called Kid Apps. Now, I can do this manually, but it might take a lot of time because there are some application that is being run that I cannot get access to. Those application, they are hidden application. I can't see them, but they have access on the phone. They run on the background of the phone. So that kind of application, you can't access them. So what this application does is that it help to fetch out those applications. This kill app application, it help fetch out those applications that are hidden, and also the application you can see. It pile them up together and then stop them from running from your phone. As simple as that. That is what the application does. So what disadvantage of you using your phone without closing this application is that sometimes you complain that your application is your phone is filled, your phone is lagging, it's kind of hanging. Why those things happen is because you just use the phone continuously without rest, without taking away garbages. It's just like the human being. Once you are taking in food and then you ate, you drank water, automatically you are supposed to release all those metabolism out of the system. So once you don't release it like that, it can damages some of the organs in the body. So this likewise goes to your phones. Once you are using it time by time, as time goes on by and by, and then you do not take away those junks fire, it affects the phone. So that's why I'm saying your time watching this video will not be in vain. So you will need this application called Kill Apps. If you don't have it, I will tell you how to get it after the video. So now, once you get this app, most especially I advise, if you want to sleep, always do it. That's when I normally do mine, because if I want to sleep like that, I closed on my app. I don't want them to have access again. Now I'm in charge. I don't want you to work by yourself. So this phone give you a super hand. Let me say it gives you authority over those applications. So you can stop them with a single tap. With a single tap. So let's go on into the how to make use of the app to close all those things. So click on the application. Once you click on it, yeah, you see, let me close this. This is how it you meet it, and you can see that up of here, up of here, up of here, it shows there is 65 apps that is launched. For Christ's sake, or just myself, I'm running 65 application. That is impossible. I'm most especially, I'm just making use of just maybe sometimes 5 apps, six. But look at the app. It estimates everything together. So, and altogether, it's saying that this application that had opened, it took nothing less than, it took nothing less than 72% of my file storage. So you see, this is the works of this application. The works without your awareness. But with the help of this app, you can see the application that has been run even without your awareness like that. So the application will assist you to close it so that your phone can be very, very free from every fox activities that you do not wish for them to do. So once it's like this, you have to close it and you don't have to do anything by yourself. So let me explain this. You first of all on first of all on this system app so that you can open everything for you. Once you're on that system app, my god, do you see what I'm seeing? Look at this. See now. See this up now. Before the app there is what is 65, but now automatically all the application that is being run on this phone, for Christ's sake, is 172 files. So you can see that that's it. So if you want to close it all, you can close. I can close everything just in a single tap. I will close it and no application will be running again on my phone except until I go and press it by myself before those applications will be running. Now, there are some apps that you don't want to close, like some of your Teams, some of your VPN, those important app you don't want to close, but you just want them to be running. If you don't want to close anyone, look at this custom list. There's a place that they wrote this custom list. See, yeah, this custom list. They will list the app that you don't want them to touch for you. So any app you don't want them to touch, click on it. So you press on this plus. Press on this plus. So once you press on the plus, they will show you some app that you don't want them to touch. So any app you don't want them to touch, you just select it. Anyone you select, they will not touch it for you. So let's go on. So if you want to close all the application, just click on this play here, display, yeah, that play, just click on it. Once you click on it, you can see that up. It said closing app. It will help me close all the 172 files within. It won't take much time, but I like doing this before I sleep. So it's going to 100%, and after that, that's all. You don't have to stress yourself. So you doing this, you are releasing the metabolism in your phone. Actually, I'm just using a forms of personification. I'm giving the attributes of human being to the phones. So you get, I'm just personifying like that. So once you do this, I believe your phone will be very, very free. And if you combine it with the three on my previous video that I shared, the 3 top secrets on how to make your phone fast, you can refer to that, and also how to flash an application, you can also refer to that. So if you use these 3 steps, I believe your phone will be very, very free. So you can make use of this app. Once you reach 100%, you can be doing that every day before you sleep, and I believe this can put your phone in good condition. Now, how can you get this application? The application is with me, and you can chat me up on WhatsApp. I'll show my WhatsApp number. You can chat me on WhatsApp, and then you get the application very easy, and you can make use of it. It's not something that demand any money. It's free. It's free. So it does not demand any money. So this is my videos, my WhatsApp number. You can chat me up and just say you need the video, you need the application, the KeyLab application. I will share it to you and I will give it to you like that. It's free of charge. I don't have to pay any money. And I wish you all the best. You do please like this video and share to others. And I'm working on a new video also. How you can download any kind of videos um, from Facebook, from Instagram and Twitter into your phone, so that you can share it to anybody like that. So please, I want to use this means to thank you for watching this video, and and if you like more of this video, it gives me the mind to share more info and more videos on your phones and many other things like that. So please and please and please have a wonderful day.